And now let's move on to a very important story, how to keep your data safe. You know, in times of COVID-19, the word COVID-19 is now being used by hackers, ransomware players to actually get you to click on something, and we do it because we think, wow, there's some new information out there. So how do you keep your data safe at times like this? We get an expert to tell you how.
These days, we have been seeing many incidents of mobile phones being compromised, being hacked. So here today we will tell you some basic tips and some do's and don'ts which you can follow to ensure that your mobile phones are safe, your data do not get hacked. First, never uninstall any unknown application or any unwarranted application. Especially, these days we are seeing that people are downloading, random games and video calling applications on mobile phones. Don't do that unless and until they are from a reputed company. Second, you should always go to settings and applications and do it like every a month or so. After going to settings, go to the applications list and look at all the applications which are there on your mobile phone and remove all the applications which are not required or which are unknown or which look suspicious. Second, if there are any applications like which are required by your office to install it, like Zoom or Skype and any other thing which you are not comfortable about, once you have used that application for that call, go to that applications menu and open that application and press the stop button in settings. Also, if you are suspicious about any application, go to the list of permissions that application has taken and revoke the permissions which you are not comfortable with. For example, a torch application should not have the permission to access your photos. So you can selectively revoke the permissions. Third, still if you feel suspicious that your mobile phone may have been hacked, you can go to the settings, you can go to the Wi-Fi or the mobile data menu and see how much data has been utilized on your mobile phone, so that you can have an idea whether any alarming amount of data is going out from your mobile phone. Lastly, always keep a keypad and lock on your mobile phone by a pin or by a pattern. Never leave your mobile phone without a keypad or something, so that in case the mobile phone is stolen or taken away by someone else, they should not be able to open and access your data. So these are simple do's and don'ts, and obviously this goes without saying that always have some sort of antivirus or anti-malware on your mobile phone. Though these days they are not 100% guarantee of keeping your mobile phone secure, but they are good to have.